life is always changing. The way we lived just a few years ago is different from today. So, understanding the future is important. It helps us prepare and make good choices. In 2025, how will Americans work? What will they do to stay healthy? These are vital questions. We all want to live long, healthy lives. By looking at 2025, we can see where we are headed and make smart choices now. The year is 2025. Technology is everywhere. Many Americans have jobs in technology. These jobs require special skills. Think coding, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. These jobs often require a college degree. However, there are many ways to learn these skills. Many people are taking online courses or attending coding boot camps. These programs can help people switch careers and enter the exciting world of technology. But it's not just about technology. The way we work is changing too. Many people work remotely. They use computers and the internet to connect with work. This allows for more flexibility and freedom. Some people work from home, others travel and work from different locations. The gig economy is also growing. This means more people are working freelance jobs or short-term contracts. This can be good for people who enjoy variety and being their own boss. However, it also means less job security and fewer benefits. It's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Section 4. Fit for the Future Health Trends Shaping America. With busy work lives, health is more important than ever. Americans are becoming more health conscious. They are making changes to their diets and exercise routines. Plant-based diets are gaining popularity. More people are choosing fruits, vegetables, and whole grains over processed foods. Fitness is also a priority. Wearable technology helps people track their activity and sleep. Many are incorporating exercise into their daily routines. This could be anything from a brisk walk to a high-intensity workout class. The key is to find something enjoyable and sustainable. Section 5. Finding the balance, juggling work, wellness, and everything in between. Balancing work and health can be tricky. In today's fast-paced world, many of us find ourselves constantly juggling multiple responsibilities. From meeting deadlines at work to managing personal commitments, it often feels like there's not enough time in the day. This constant hustle can lead to stress and burnout if not managed properly. Long work hours can take a toll on physical and mental well-being. When we push ourselves too hard, we risk neglecting our health. This can manifest in various ways, such as chronic fatigue, anxiety, and even physical ailments. It's important to recognize the signs of burnout early and take proactive steps to address them. It's crucial to set boundaries and prioritize self-care. This means learning to say no when necessary and making time for activities that rejuvenate you. Whether it's a short meditation session, a quick yoga routine, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe deeply, these small actions can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Taking breaks throughout the day is essential. Stepping away from your desk, even for a few minutes, can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Regular breaks can also improve your focus and productivity, making you more efficient in the long run. Even a few minutes of stretching or deep breathing can make a difference. These simple exercises can help alleviate tension and improve circulation, keeping you energized and focused throughout the day. Many companies are promoting workplace wellness programs. These initiatives are designed to support employees' health and well-being, recognizing that a healthy workforce is a productive one. These programs offer resources and support for employees to improve their health. This might include access to wellness apps, workshops on various health topics, and even personalized health plans. This might include gym memberships, allowing employees to stay active and fit without the added financial burden. Healthy snacks in the office, providing nutritious options that can help maintain energy levels and improve concentration. Or workshops on stress management, equipping employees with the tools they need to handle stress effectively and maintain a healthy work-life balance. These programs benefit both employees and employers. When employees feel supported and valued, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated. Healthier employees are happier and more productive. By investing in wellness programs, companies can create a positive work environment that fosters growth, satisfaction, and success for everyone involved. Section 6. A Helping Hand. Advancements in Healthcare and Workplace Wellness. In recent years, we've seen remarkable progress in both healthcare and workplace wellness initiatives. These advancements are not only improving the quality of care, but also enhancing the overall well-being of individuals in various settings. Technology is also transforming healthcare. From state-of-the-art medical devices to innovative treatment methods, the healthcare industry is evolving rapidly. These advancements are making it possible to diagnose and treat conditions more accurately and efficiently than ever before. Telemedicine is becoming increasingly common. This technology allows patients to consult with healthcare professionals from the comfort of their own homes, eliminating the need for travel and reducing the time spent in waiting rooms. This allows people to consult with doctors remotely through video calls. It's particularly beneficial for those who live in remote areas or have mobility issues, ensuring they receive the care they need without unnecessary delays. This is particularly helpful for people in rural areas or those with limited mobility. Telemedicine bridges the gap between patients and healthcare providers, making healthcare more accessible and convenient for everyone. Advancements in medical technology are also improving treatments and prevention. Robotic surgeries, for instance, allow for more precise and less invasive procedures, leading to quicker recovery times and better outcomes for patients. We have access to better screenings, medications, and therapies. These improvements mean that diseases can be detected earlier, treated more effectively, and managed more efficiently, contributing to overall better health outcomes. This means we can live longer, healthier lives. With the combination of advanced medical care and proactive wellness programs, individuals are empowered to take charge of their health and well-being. But healthcare is still a concern for many Americans. Despite these advancements, there are still significant challenges that need to be addressed, particularly when it comes to the cost and accessibility of healthcare services. Access to affordable healthcare remains a challenge. Many individuals and families struggle with high medical bills and limited access to necessary treatments, highlighting the need for continued efforts to make healthcare more affordable and equitable. It's an ongoing issue that needs to be addressed. Policymakers, healthcare providers, and communities must work together to find solutions that ensure everyone has access to the care they need, regardless of their financial situation. Section 7, 2025 and Beyond. A Vision of Health and Hope. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, the future holds both challenges and opportunities. As we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, it's crucial to stay informed and proactive. The decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. The world of work is changing rapidly. With advancements in technology and shifts in societal norms, remote work and digital collaboration have become the new standard. This transformation offers flexibility, but also demands new skills and adaptability. Staying ahead of the curve requires adaptability and a willingness to learn new skills. Continuous education and professional development are key to thriving in this dynamic environment. Embrace lifelong learning to stay relevant and competitive. Health and wellness are more important than ever. In a fast-paced world, taking care of our physical and mental well-being is essential. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mindfulness practices can significantly enhance our quality of life. By making healthy choices and advocating for better health care, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Community support and collective action play a vital role in promoting public health and well-being. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Invest in it wisely. Prioritize self-care and make informed decisions about your health. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant long-term benefits. Stay informed, stay active, and stay positive. Knowledge is power, and staying updated on health information empowers you to make better choices. Physical activity and a positive mindset are crucial for overall well-being. The future is in our hands. Together, we can build a healthier, more sustainable world. Collaboration and unity are essential in addressing global challenges and creating lasting change. Let's make it a healthy one. Embrace the journey towards a healthier lifestyle and inspire others to do the same. Our collective efforts can lead to a brighter, healthier future for all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more related content. Together, we can continue to inspire and promote a healthier future.